Is it working?
No, I put it in. I think he's still highlight or something like that.
Did it like it's like explode? And then ours, and then just like stop recording for like 5 seconds.
Yeah. So. Yeah, like since it's created. Yeah, and then it's sort of my work on that. Yeah, like Andrew. Yeah, Andrew.
Is the angle all right, or do you guys want?
No, it's good.
Right, your 3 cappuccinos to go. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right. Hey, how are you?
Yeah, just one hot latte, please.
Hot latte, sure.
So if they got a clip, you have to use like I think
And that one's to go, right?
down here.
No worries.
It's like if you follow the process and do it the way they do it, you can get shut off faster.
All right.
Just see the behind the scenes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And sometimes like yeah.
Hmm?
If you put your hair back, will it be annoying?
I'll do it for you. Give me a sec. Do you have a hair tie? Or a rubber band? Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I know you guys don't do pour overs here, but I tried like the cosmic candy last time. It
Yeah.
was really good. I
Okay.
want to try like something different.
We do pour overs, just for the time being. If you look at the menu, we have like a season special. So right now we're serving the geisha. We have a geisha coffee from Guatemala called La Esperanza. And we're serving that by a Hario pour over. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's the blue one on the left. Yeah. And the information is actually right next to the menu. Sure. Right, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. And is that for here today?
To go.
No problem. Right, there you go.
Oh, I saw that. Yeah. Well, and someone it maps out the floor and shows you.
Right, your latte to go.
Oh my. That's crazy. Yeah.
But then
Thank
also
you.
you're wearing it, so,
Yeah.
yeah. I also just don't want to look at a screen all the time. Like,
a lot. I'm trying to not do as much movement as I usually do.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Is this fine?
Should have the filter.
That's in the bag. Wow. Thank you. Oh, the things I do for TV. Hey, how are you? Morning. Yeah, sure. Take a seat. Hey.
Yeah, actually, are you also doing the breakfast sandwiches right now too?
Yeah?
Okay. I'm also gonna get this breakfast sandwich.
No problem.
Yeah.
All to go?
Yeah.
Caliber. Right, there you go.
Yeah, like the camera. known to be like a bit more sour.
Oh, so you're saying like when, at the front, like the decal says like, oh, we all do sweet. Right, yeah. No, I get that. I'm the same. I'm like, if I already know it's like acidic or something like that, I have tried.
Hey guys.
Like, it was good. Yeah, it was really actually. I need to try it. They think they have a great one. They missed out on the strawberry one. The fresh one was good, but I didn't.
Right, your pour over coffee.
Yeah.
And then
Sorry.
Right.
All right, what can I get you guys?
Hello.
Hi.
The blue. It's good.
Thank
Good with
you.
The green. So 2 cortado for here
Sure.
and 1 almond croissant.
And an almond croissant
Yes,
all
please.
for here. All right, there you go.
Thank you.
No worries. Do you have ours?
You mean like you have like a
Yeah, a stamp card system.
you have a card system? Okay, so I can.
Like just over here, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
No, we didn't have that. Now we do.
now you do.
Thank you. I was looking for change for your tip. Oh, look, here it is. But do you come here with the friends every time it's 2 coffees?
Yeah, it is. I remember you guys sat on that curb last time. Yeah. Yeah, when the weather was nice.
I was here also with my girlfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah, we sat outside. And he's the Jill had a dog who I think just passed away yesterday.